Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best model steam engine is probably one of the most fascinating and intricate pieces of miniature engineering you can find, offering a captivating glimpse into the history of steam power and a rewarding experience for both builders and enthusiasts. In this video, we will explore the intricacies of model steam engines, examining their construction, operation, and the sheer artistry involved in their creation, and help you choose the perfect one for your collection or project. Number 5. Sunnytech LT001 Stirling Engine. It's made with high-quality materials, including mirror-polished stainless steel and a glass cylinder. The elegant design makes it a pleasure to own and use. Simply place it on a cup of hot coffee, it's that easy. Watch it run and enjoy the fascinating mechanics. You can even use it with ice for a different effect. With a continuous power source, it can run for 24 hours or more. One customer even ran it for weeks using a USB hot plate. It's a fantastic gift for kids, teachers, friends, or family. Its elegant packaging makes it a presentable gift for any occasion. Watch people's reactions when they see it in action. It's a marvelous toy that's sure to spark conversations and interest. It's a fun and educational tool, perfect for science projects or demonstrating physical principles. It's both entertaining and educational. What we like. It runs using just hot coffee. This model boasts impressive longevity, running for hours on end. Its elegant design makes it a perfect gift or conversation starter. If you appreciate quality craftsmanship and enjoy unique desk toys, this is for you. What people say. Placing it atop a hot cup of tea, it starts to work its magic, making it both a charming spectacle and a wonderful educational tool for children. The engine is beautifully crafted, robust, and easy to set up. Great build quality. Works perfect and comes with all the documentation you need. It was quick to set up and has been chugging away for the last 10 minutes atop a hot cup of coffee. It is a real working Stirling engine, so while we will use it for our enjoyment, that's the only reason why the word toy might be given to it. It is a real engine. Number 4. Playz Train Steam Engine Model Kit. It's a fantastic way to introduce your child to the world of engineering. Watch them build, learn, and have fun with this amazing steam engine model kit. The 22-page manual provides clear, step-by-step guidance. It's designed to be simple enough for kids to understand and follow along. It's made with 140 precision-engineered parts that fit together perfectly. This ensures a smooth building experience and a sense of accomplishment. It's not just a toy, it's an educational tool that promotes critical thinking, problem-solving, and fine motor skills. Kids can build it, take it apart, and build it again. It's perfect for kids and adults alike. It makes a unique and engaging gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's also a great desk toy for adults. What we like. This kit lets you build your own steam engine. It's a fun, educational experience for both kids and adults. The high-quality parts ensure a satisfying build and a long-lasting model. If you enjoy hands-on projects and STEM learning, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Assembly directions were fairly straightforward, definitely advanced for even a 10-year-old. All screws were self-tapping, so a fair amount of hand strength was necessary to get everything properly tight so it could work, and there were multiple parts where wires could easily be pinched while putting pieces together. Because of the gearing, if things were loose it would not work correctly. This is a great project. We have had a little issue with the steam whistle button fitting the slot where it is supposed to slide into. I think the button card wasn't trimmed enough from the manufacturer, so we will have to modify that a little. That said, this is more challenging for my 12-year-old nephew than his typical snap-together model. This is great because it teaches him patience and problem-solving experience when things don't work like they are meant to at first. Great kit. Bought this to build with my boys and they loved it. Nice STEM toy for kids, and I wouldn't hesitate to recommend this to other buyers. Number 3. Sunnytech Stirling Engine M16 CF. It boasts a robust design, featuring a 304 stainless steel heating cylinder, brass piston, and other high-quality materials. This ensures durability in a long lifespan, making it a worthwhile investment. Simply fill the alcohol burner with 95% alcohol, light it, and gently nudge the wheel after a minute or two of heating. It's that simple to get it running smoothly. When not in use, it makes a beautiful addition to any desk or shelf. Its elegant design makes it a perfect conversation starter and a unique gift for friends and family. It's a fantastic tool for learning about thermodynamics and mechanics. It's perfect for science projects, classroom demonstrations, or simply sparking curiosity in anyone. Watch your guests' reactions as it springs to life. Its fascinating mechanics are sure to impress and initiate lively discussions. It's more than just a toy, it's an experience. What we like. It's built with high-quality materials for durability and smooth operation. Getting it started is a breeze. Its beautiful design makes it a great addition to any collection. If you value quality and aesthetics, this model is for you. What people say. This engine is strong, all metal, and strong power and RPMs. Full metal construction, good RPMs, can handle higher temps, beautiful design, easy to modify, and make additions. Quality-wise, the Stirling engine is great. The only potential problem could be the crank pin on the connecting rod, which appears to be made of copper, hence could wear out earlier than other parts made of stainless steel. Number 2. Wilesco D9 Steam Engine Kit. Welcome. Today, we're unboxing the Wilesco D9 Steam Engine Kit. Let's see what's inside and get ready to build. It comes with all the parts you need. Notice the precision and quality of each component, it's impressive. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. Building it is a rewarding experience. Watch as we assemble this magnificent machine, piece by piece. It's a journey of engineering and craftsmanship. Once assembled, it's time to add water and fuel it. Get ready to witness the power of steam. See it run. The intricate details and the smooth operation are truly captivating. This is more than just a toy, it's a piece of engineering history. It's a testament to craftsmanship. What we like. This is a classic steam engine model, known for its quality and durability. It's a great choice for serious collectors or those who appreciate traditional craftsmanship. If you're looking for a reliable and beautiful model, this one is a top contender. What people say. The steam engine will run in both directions. It is very well made. I kept thinking, this is German craftsmanship. When it's finished, it's a fine, quality machine and fine looking, and it works just like it's supposed to. Number 1. Wilesco D16 Steam Engine. Get ready to experience the power of steam with the Wilesco D16. It's a beautifully crafted model that's both educational and fun. This model boasts an impressive 250 ml water tank, giving you extended playtime. You'll have plenty of time to enjoy its smooth operation. Safety is paramount. It includes a reliable safety valve to prevent any accidents, ensuring worry-free operation. Admire the intricate details and craftsmanship. It's a testament to quality engineering and design. Watch it work. It's a fascinating demonstration of steam power, perfect for learning and enjoyment. The Wilesco D16 is more than just a model, it's a piece of history, bringing the magic of steam engines to life. What we like. It features a large tank capacity and important safety features. It's built to last and is perfect for those who want a powerful and safe steam engine. If you need a model with extended runtime and safety in mind, this is a great option. What people say. Buona potenza, splendido il funzionamento molto fluido con la possibilità di regolare la potenza della macchina tramite una apposita valvola, inoltre con la dovuta trasmissione si possono collegare vari utensili, giostre o lampioni tramite il collegamento di una dinamo per produrre elettricità. Maqueta realista, con buenos materials y acabado. Die Wilesco D16 ist ein zeitloses Spielzeug. Sie ist nicht wirklich billig vom Preis, aber Geldelimo wert. Mit einer Wilesco D16 kann man nix falsch machen und ich empfehle auch einsteigern lieber etwas mehr zu sparen beaver man zu einer D6 oder so greift. Hier hat man alles was man braucht, und vor allem einen schönen Dampfkraftregler. Damit kann man beliebige Geschwindigkeiten einstellen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.